Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here in this left section simply tap on the display. Now we have to scroll down until we will find the option navigation bar. Let's tap on it, and here, as you can see, we've got two different options. And before we will set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer about the buttons. If you will decide that you want to leave this option turned on, here you can customize it, so you can reorder the buttons, the recents and the back button, and you can also manage the button position, so you can change it from the right to the left, up to you. Alright, so first of all, we have to tap on this option, swipe gestures, and as you can see, the buttons will immediately disappear. Here we've got also more options. After tapping on it, we can decide whether we want to use this option, swipe to open Assistant app, and here we can change the gesture sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because then you will be able to decide whether you need this area to be more sensitive, so bigger or smaller, up to you. Here we can also change kind of the look of this line, because as you can see right now we've got only one line which is responsible for some gestures, and here we can divide it into 3 different lines, and they will act just like the buttons which we had before. I prefer this option which is currently applied, so let me leave it like this. And let's go back, and as you can see here, we've got also some options which we can customize, so we can show the gesture hint, we can show button to hide keyboard, and block gestures with the pen. Up to you, of course, if you want to have them turned on or off. So right now all we have to do is to learn how to use the gestures. So if you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger or the pen from the right to the center of our device, just like that, until we will see this arrow. This option works from the right and from the left also. As you can see, we've got also this button, this icon. So after seeing it, just release the finger or the pen, and you will get back to the previous page. If you want to get back to the home page directly, all you have to do is to swipe your finger or the pen, of course, from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and a quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, just repeat the motion, but this time do it kind of longer, and hold your finger or pen somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.